Swastiastu. Good morning, all of you, all my friends, and my teacher Pak Cho. I hope you are in excellent condition because now in Indonesia is coming a dangerous virus called coronavirus. The virus is kill a lot of humans. So for you all, just stay at home and don't forget to study because a lesson now based online. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Putri and you can call me Tisha. My number is 22 and I'm grade of 11, accommodation hospitality 7. XIPH7. Now I would like to explain presentation about hotel facilities. And in some hotels, they use a different standard operational procedure (SOP) and provide according the level and often called star. And now I want to tell you about facilities in hotel general between 4-star until 5-star hotel. The hotel facilities such as for the first, lobby lounge. Lobby is the first place the guests arrive for check-in. And the second, the very important facilities that a room because the guests come to hotel for stay to rest in the room. And the third, the very important is restaurant. Restaurant include a bar, coffee shop, and kitchen. The fourth is a Wi-Fi. Number 5 is spa. Next is swimming pool, include of public pool or pool. The 7th is laundry. Number 8 is gym center or fitness center. Number 9 in outside area of the hotel is parking area. Number 10 is hotel transport. Not all of hotel have a transport, but the hotel 5-star has the hotel transport. Next is a library. The normal hotel has a library. And next, number 12 is a boutique. Boutique is shop center. And the last, we have some garden. I think that's all about hotel facilities and enough for it. If I have mistake, I apologize. I hope you are enjoying with my video. See you. Bye bye.
Swastiastu. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sila. My absent number is 25 and I'm in 11th grade from hospitality class of 5. Now, I would like to explain about the facilities in the hotel. First facility is restaurant. Restaurant is a facility that provides food and beverage service or product for the hotel guests. Second facility is bar. Bar is a facility that provides alcohol or non-alcohol beverage. Third facility is spa. Spa is a facility that provides a beauty care service. Next facility is swimming pool. In the hotel, there is also a public swimming pool, and for some rooms, there are also a private swimming pool. Some hotel also has a transportation facilities like shuttle bus or pick up and drop off to the airport. There is also other facilities like laundry or room service. So that's all the facilities that I can explain in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Santi.